The Bushcrafty Talks.
What's up? Bushcrafty. Bushcrafty Talks. How's it going, people? I've been doing some thinking about the old Bushcrafty channel. Almost on the verge, maybe it might have got changed. I don't know. Maybe a name change with that. Because I've been on the market, which I'll be blunt about it. I'll probably end up taking a loan out to get one, a van. At one point, I was looking at a bus. I could see a bus if there were like two people living in it. That way you get that little bit more space. But if a bus fell in my lap that was a good price, oh yeah, I'd definitely get a bus. Not a big one, just a 4-window bus. But what I'm really looking to get is a van, a Super Duty ambulance. Yeah, an ambulance. And then converting it. I have one, but it's a little bit pricey, so it wouldn't give me too much money extra to build on it. You know, put a bed in it, and cabinets, sink and a stove. The solar power and stuff would have to come way later on if I ever, that'd be way down the line. that would be save up for type of thing. And I probably wouldn't make it a full-time thing because I have to come back here and do things with my son here, and he's able to take care of himself for the most part. It's just bills and little things, but he's getting there. And since now he has a friend staying with him, be a little bit easier on him. But I would like to get back out on the road and see some sights and everything, because that's the one thing I used to love about when traveling with my dad and whatnot, would be stopping and seeing the sights. Sometimes we would get to. A lot of times we just drove by as we went. But there's nothing better than driving down next to a river or a pond or a lake or something and just camping out. Nobody around. That type of thing. But you never know. I'm still waiting on this. I gave it to God with this van, because there's also another ambulance. It's a regular size ambulance. The square body ones in the back. Those ones are tricky because of all the wiring. There's tons and tons of wiring on those, and you have to go through all the wiring to make sure you don't take out anything that is needed for a normal use. you know, backup lights and spotlights and all that other stuff. The regular, the bus or the van ambulances have that too, but like I said, this one is, he's kind of converted it. He's got a king size bed. I don't need no king size bed in it. And the headspace is plenty of headspace, because it's, you can stand up in it. It's 6'3", so I'm good to go. But again, like I said, I gave it up to God and see what He. That's what I'm supposed to. If it's still available, I'll ask Him and see if I can get it down a little bit cheaper. If He says yes, then I'll go over to the bank and see what I can do. I'll just have to cut some stuff out of what I'm already paying to pay for, you know, to pay for car payments, and then pay it off as fast as humanly possible. That way I don't have no overhead. Now the van does have some rust. Surprise, we're up in Ohio. Everything has rust. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now. And I would love, like, if I say I'm heading to Kentucky, is there anybody in Kentucky that wants to do a meetup? Some of my supporters, my subscribers want to meet at a public place, you know, nothing freaky or anything, and meet up. Because, like I said, there's so many people out there that I'd like to meet, like Oklahoma. Be nice to head down to Oklahoma. They got plenty of meetups right now. I'd go down there and spend a couple weeks, and, well, probably a month, because I know a lot of people in Oklahoma and Arkansas that I would drop on by. But again, like I said, it's you know, I'm not getting my hopes up or anything. Maybe that's not what I'm supposed to be doing. I'll still be, you know, doing my stuff on Bushcraft Family, and then kind of doing a van build too on this channel. I don't think I put it on my main channel. But anyway, guys, tell me what you think. And it is a wonderful day, as you can tell. We have sunlight out. Windy day, not too bad. But I'm going to leave you guys at that. Another Bushcrafty Talks in the books. God bless and never give up.